Welcome to Compariffy. Today we're comparing two powerful vacuums, the Bissell 2998 and the Shark NV360. In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and unique benefits to help you decide which one fits your cleaning needs best. And remember, the links to access the best prices for both products are in the video description. Similarities. Bagless design. Both vacuums operate without bags, making dirt disposal straightforward and mess-free. Allergen filtration. Each model is equipped with an advanced filtration system. Bissell's Smart Seal allergen system and Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology with a HEPA filter to capture dust and allergens effectively. Multi-surface capability. They're designed to clean a variety of surfaces including carpets, rugs, hard floors, and even stairs, ensuring versatile cleaning performance in every corner of your home. Maneuverability. Both models are lightweight and engineered for easy handling, letting you navigate around furniture and tight spaces with minimal effort. Extended power cord. With long power cords, they cover large areas without the hassle of constantly switching outlets, ensuring continuous cleaning. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Differences. Cleaning system and tools. The Bissell 2998 features a multi-cyclonic cleaning system with variable suction control and includes a pet turbo eraser tool designed for pet owners. Meanwhile, the Shark NV360 offers a detachable lift-away pod with a brush roll shutoff, allowing you to switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor care with ease. Cleaning path and hose length. With a 13-inch cleaning path and a 7-foot hose, the Bissell is built for rapid coverage, whereas the Shark's 9.5-inch cleaning path and 5-foot hose offer enhanced maneuverability in confined spaces. Power rating. The Bissell operates at 7 amps, delivering steady performance, while the Shark NV360 ramps up to 10 amps, providing a bit more power for demanding cleaning tasks. Cord length and warranty. The Bissell's 30-foot cord is ideal for larger areas, but the Shark NV360 compensates with a robust 5-year warranty, giving you long-term peace of mind. Accessories and features. The Shark NV360 comes with additional tools such as an upholstery tool and a crevice tool for versatile cleaning, whereas the Bissell 2998 focuses on specialized pet cleaning features. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. If you're looking for a vacuum with a wider cleaning path, dedicated pet tools, and a longer cord to cover expansive areas, the Bissell 2998 could be the perfect match. On the other hand, if you value higher power, a detachable pod for above-floor cleaning, and extra accessories backed by a solid warranty, the Shark NV360 is a strong contender. Ultimately, both models offer excellent features tailored to different cleaning needs, so choose the one that best aligns with your lifestyle. And once again, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next video.